Wagwan me YouTube family, and welcome back to another video. So today we're making fried chicken without using a deep fryer. Sit back and enjoy. So first we have here some fresh washed chicken. So this is chicken parts. We have breasts, wings, legs, so already washed, and we're just going to go ahead and season the chicken. Here we're going to use some Maggi all-purpose seasoning. You can use the seasoning of your choice. The chicken season. We're just going to drizzle some onto the chicken. We're also going to add some salt, right? Just drizzle the salt onto the chicken. Okay, next we're going to rub in the season. All done. If you want to go ahead and add some black pepper, you can go ahead and add it, but this is optional. You don't have to, because I don't really like using black pepper. We're also going to add some natural season or tomatoes, chopped tomatoes. We also have here some thyme, garlic, and a piece of hot pepper. Onions and scallions, or green onion. So scallion is also called green onions in other countries, and we're just going to distribute them over the chicken. Going to massage, rub in, and we're done. So this is our seasoned chicken. So we're going to cover it with a plastic paper wrap. We're going to cover, then we're going to place it into the refrigerator to be marinated. So you can marinate for about 15 to 20 minutes depending on what you have doing. You can season from overnight, and you can marinate your chicken. So we're going to marinate. Okay, so for making the crust of the chicken, we're going to crack 2 eggs. You want to crack them into separate container, because you don't want to add both eggs into one bowl, because it might be that the egg is not good. So you want to separate them in a container, then you pour them in. Then we're going to give this a whisk. Nice and lovely. Then we're going to pour some milk. And then we're going to put this aside. So this is taken care of, so we're going to put it over here. So for the crust, all right guys, so for the crust you need a Ziploc bag, preferably a large one, where it can hold a lot of chicken. Can hold whole heap of chicken, so you don't have to do it one by one. So for the crust, we're going to use 1 cup of flour. Pour it into the bag. Pour it in the Ziploc bag. And this is optional, you don't have to. Put some Maggi all-purpose seasoning just to flavor, right? You don't have to add a lot. Next, close the bag and shake. That's it. You don't have to add any salt because we already put salt onto the chicken, so you don't have to add salt to it. So our egg and milk is ready, and our flour to make the crust for our fried chicken. First, we're going to remove the season from the chicken. You can just hold this chicken in so it's easier to fry. So we save back this. This is our season. Preparing our pot to fry our chicken. You want to add enough oil because here we're going to deep fry the chicken, so you want to add enough oil, right? And then you're going to allow the oil to be very hot, very hot. So just leave the oil there, turn it on high flame, allow it to get hot so we can put in the chicken. Then we're going to take one of the chicken leg, take the piece of meat, put it in the milk and the egg, coat it, shake it off, place it into the bag. Then we're going to shake. So when you use a larger bag, it allows you to put in a lot, so you don't have to be adding one. You could add more to the bag, but I prefer doing it this way. So you just shake to coat all the pieces of the chicken. Then you're going to unlock the bag. Then we're going to place them into the frying pan. Nice, guys. So you just take them, place into the pan. Easy as that, guys. You just place them however you like into the frying pan. It is meat, guys. It's going to have blood on it because it is going to be well done so that you don't have any blood in it, right? So you just turn it up on high flame and allow the meat to cook properly. So we just put them on the opposite side. how they're looking. Very crunchy on the outer side. Very crunchy, guys. So we're just going to leave them there until they're well soaked straight through. So we're just going to flip them. They're not cooked as yet, guys. They need to soak properly. So it's best to put them on low flame to allow the chicken to soak properly, because you know, say these chickens have bones. So they have bones, so it will take a longer time for them to be soaked and to soak even properly. So you just put them on low flame and allow them to soak properly, and when they're almost ready or almost finished, you can just turn them back on high flame to get that crispy outside. So we just have it here on low flame to get the chicken steamed through properly. Because you know when you bite one of the bone them, you know we love the chicken leg already. You know when we bite one of the bone them, a pure blood come out of it. No, we don't want that. So we here have it on low flame and allow the chicken to be soaked properly. Turning them, getting very golden brown, guys. They're very crispy. It takes patience to do French fried chicken, because the key here is to get the chickens well cooked, because you don't want to half cook chicken, right? You know when you bite on it, it is bloody. So it will take patience to do French fried chicken, because they have to be well cooked. So you turn them on low flame preferably and allow them to soak well. So we're just going to continue turning until they are soaked on medium flame. When they're almost done, we turn them on high flame. Very crunchy on the outside. This is our French fried chicken. They are now golden brown. So we're just going to, they're almost finished, so we increase the flame to medium to get them more crunchy. This process takes a lot, guys. It requires patience because you want to ensure that the chicken is soaked throughout, because you don't want it to be blood in it or it don't cook good. No, we don't want that. So it requires a lot of patience. So it requires about an hour to cook the chicken, but at the end of the day you won't be dissatisfied. Look at them, guys. Very crispy and crunchy. Good. You just need some sauce or dip it in some ranch and you're good. We're going to transfer them onto our paper towel. Our crispy French fried chicken. You're just going to leave them there to drain the oil onto the paper towel. Look at them, guys, very crunchy.
And there you have it, our crispy and juicy French fry chicken, stovetop method, no deep fryer. I do hope you enjoy this video. If you do, hit that thumbs up button, share, comment, and subscribe if you're new and you haven't yet done so. Want to check out more of our videos? Check these out.